Bullet a flick in a Masicka face. I want that in my tears. Me rest my dick in a forehead and ratchet and race. Pies in the swamp, every truck a disappear. Them boy a double pussy like African lace. Them boy a double pussy like African lace.
Your love is wicked.
Them boy a double pussy like African lace.
Your love is wicked.
Them boy a double pussy like African lace. Them boy a double pussy like African
Your
lace.
love is wicked.
Big city pussy wall and no Masicka play. Big city pussy wall and no Masicka play. Any other cops I must see on the foot away. Any other cops I must see on the foot away.
Masicka, take foot eye, big thinking foot out of your body. You make the man a press you, I'm like a foot bottom.
Any other cops I must see on the foot away. Cover that, watching face, see the look of fear. Cover that, watching face, see the look of fear.
Yeah, my people, a mad thing, yo. You know how long me I wait on that song for drop music video where slap. Yo, today was not so much of a good day. You see me I say? Cause yo, I swear to God, if you not follow my channel, Zin, for all of the viewers, them will see what I go on. Cause yo, brother, may I tell you some work on a spice video. You see the spice video when I upload and I need to go check it out. Then, a big problem it a give me the whole day. The whole entire day. I'ma say me nah do a next vlog until me fix that problem there with Spice Blood Clot review, song review, or gospel song where she release. You see me? The God don't play about me. God don't play about me. It's a very good song, you see me? And as me I tell you, this another first this happened me, you know. When I say yo, me I go start review the female artist them song. And it's like the first female artist song when I review, brother, be a problem. Till me say yo, me not go review about the female artist music be a problem, brother. Yo, me I tell you say, me I try upload Spice the video, the review when I work on today and edit Sealer. You seen the Spice music video when I work on today? From me I try upload it from about 4 o'clock. Yeah, after 4. Sometime after 4, right? In the day, Friday, after 4 in the dawn, the hour of, late afternoon, going on to the evening hours. After 4 p.m., sometime after 4 p.m., me I try upload the Spice music review. Me tell you say, yo, hell, every time it reach 99%, it stop and tell me say, not enough memory. I'ma delete everything out of my phone. Forget enough space. And it still a tell me the same thing. So I say, no, sir, this is not a space problem. This is some strange problem. Anyway, I find out what the problem was because the editor we may use, right? The editing app I use, once the video catch over hour, right? It won't work to upload. And now this is very intricate, cause watch what go on now. The video that you have done, if it's 1 hour long, and then when you edit that 1 hour long video and you edit it, and after finish editing it, it may becomes 30-minute long video after the editing. It won't upload. You'd have to cut the first video less than an hour, like 59 minutes, and some seconds. But once the first video is over an hour, so may I tell you, hell, it give me almost the whole day take for me figure out. From 4 o'clock, I've been trying to upload it, and it just upload perfectly now. Minutes after 1 or about 1 o'clock the following. This is after midnight now, So, a whole heap of hours that from 4 to 12, you know what I'm saying? That's 8 hour long of trying to get the job done. Spice music video, cause that I can't promise you no say me I go work on the next Spice video after all this joke me I make, man. Me I go I go work. Cause Spice I put out whole heap of music like Tommy Lee, you know. Yo, I said Tommy Lee a drop song back to back and I saw Spice go to work. More while. Yo, for years now I saw Spice I get to work. So we have to support her, you see me? I'm not just say this because I want her to unblock me. I really attack from her. Because I see her project, them, I see her work ethics, I see the thing them which she have put out over the years. And see how she go hard. Get what I say? Yeah, so yeah man, Spice give me a whole heap of problem to them and be a headache, you see it. So I'm glad I finally can move on to this because it has been one of my long awaiting, anticipating moment for this song release, you see me? Big up Shawn Stam as me telling upon Kashima YouTube live on her platform, right? As me telling you say the Gaza artists them a profit. And for a few of them may have find out, like for one Vibes Cartel are the master prophets, right? Him predicted his whole life sentence that he had beaten. Him predict say him a go beat it. Him predict a whole heap of things, Who a go double cross him from who a go, you see me I say? A whole heap of thing Vibes Cartel reveal that end up seal and was a manifest and came to fulfillment. You see me? So Cartel for sure is one of the last prophet. Them Tommy Lee show was say him a prophet because Tommy Lee made it clear a few days in his interview on the fix that Jahshii is a man him will make police involved and beat up the thing and not even a week, not even 7 days pass and as so said by Tommy Lee, so said so done because not even a week after Tommy Lee made that statement, we say Jahshii run up on stage after Skeng done performance and then told Jahshii go behave and a this Skeng cause because the rival them for feud and big thing go kick off and police have to come running in, see him like what Tommy Lee say and confiscate the mic from Jahshii, right? So we see where Tommy Lee show say him a prophet too. You see me? And then Tommy Lee show we say Masicka a coward from another clash. And although me did know, it played out. Cause we see them trample Masicka in him set a perform, trample on him boot and him pants and him shoes. Bring a nanny goat up there will represent the mosquito, you see me? Remember me I show you say the mosquito is really a mosquito, a theme animal sign that. And the crux took him bite people style, That's all him do, bite people style. So the right name him get, you see him? So yeah, we see say Tommy Lee and KARTEL them have the prophecy skill. Now Shawn Storm we are gonna drop here, him have the prophecy skill too. So before I go into that video and start with the review, let me just tell you how my sister Shawn Storm have that thing there. Because him do a song before him did free up from prison. I think of the song name Hitman. We multiply gun, we multiply shot. I'm gonna say Hitman, Shawn Storm. Shawn Storm, them clone up, new killer clone them a whole up. You come out of the flow, but from the real what you go hijack a chorus. Them boy, no grows up. Yeah, I think like this. That song, yeah.
We not here. Nobody ask why that a person study chip like a work. Why this drop a dirt friend them scatter first. One of them pick up gunshot. Him stop a nurse. Your blood got a verb.
Me run the place and no Papa Smurf. Me run the village and no Papa Smurf. Yo, Shawn Storm body So in that song, yeah, when it one of the part them Shawn Storm make it clear say, yo, you hear me? My enemies shall become my footstool. That him say before him fall out of prison, And then you see what go on as soon as Mosquito call up Shawn Storm name and I try style him about him a what dad. Father God just present a song when him each scratch. Cause Shawn Storm never purposely put out that song. It's just the universe make that song they drop right on the time for Flat Masicka. That's why I tell you if you not see say the universe is against the mosquito because of what he has done. Because every action causes a reaction. And it's not just from human being but from the earth itself and the energy forces and energy field. We don't need no shield. You see me? And them need Mark shield. So what tell you say the earth just magically present the itch scratch song for really flap Masicka. Because remember, mosquito though, them bite, make you have to itch and scratch. So pre the logics. And Shawn tell you say it wasn't nothing purposely, it was spontaneously created, that song. And simultaneously fitting the whole scenario of the clash where went down. So Shawn, yo, that is so powerful. And then remember, Shawn said, my enemies shall become my footstool. Masicka became his footstool. And then now with this song here, we him drop we about for review. This very Masicka, about 4 times Masicka dead, Tommy Lee kill him about 2 times. And Shawn now kill him 2 times. So Masicka have the record for the amount of time him dead. That 438 something there, yeah. Cause 4 times him dead. See, the 3 represent dead. The 8 represent the hatred where him carry. So you see it, everything seal up. I done him career done now. Done it done. 438, the 4 time him dead. Tommy Lee kill him 2 times. 1 with dirt there, and 1 after the clash done. So just seal it off. See? And 3 mean dead. No more than 3 rounds to your head. See? And then now, if Alkaline I say Masicka dead, Alkaline say it in a new song, say a 7 piece him get from him friend and dead, So everybody accepts a Masicka dead, you see me? So I just some I'm like a idiot fans them wanna know music. Yeah. And then now, as me I show you, Shawn, the Gaza of the power, you see me? Gaza of the powers. Straight. So I could do this now. From you hear the rhythm, you know say I it carry the flavor right now. I hit the streets, I say. You get me I say? But it alone the streets I say, cause the Russian have a project they will drop with Marley and Asian and Tiger. Wanna go check that out, Zin. But after wanna done, watch the whole of that review, yeah. Don't move a muscle, don't move a dial, or else me get vile. Yeah. So the rhythm mad, and then you go hear how Shawn attack it.
Yeah, man, for them DJ boy with gun in a video. Nah, do no crime. Nah, do no crime. If I bust a jelly yet, much less cut a pine. Nah, do no crime. Nah, do be crime.
Tough piece of intro, Tough piece of intro. I just the intro, me not to feel on the song, but the intro can go on because it has said something. And what it has said is that enough of them boy in a video. I remember I said that song here for Masicka, Cause everybody know Masicka only have gun in a music video, but not in the streets like a Tommy Lee. You see me I say? Everybody know Tommy Lee dangerous, You see me I say? Everybody knows that Tommy Lee dangerous. Him not have nothing more for prove. You see me? Anybody for prove something a Masicka. And until Masicka prove himself being a real gangster, cause them know say him a fraud. Get what me I say? Just one clap and him die. I say. So that song a circulate Masicka. So when Chance I say, yo, one bag of gun in a video and them do no crime. Nah, do no crime. You see me? I must say pine alone them a blur not cut with a knife. You see it? But I pull it up back. Louis VYT is the song name, Zane. Louis VYT is tough. Like the VYBZ KARTEL 2010 hit song with Russian. Unfitted in a white t-shirt, we did it. Yeah.
Yeah, man, for them DJ boy with gun in a video. Nah, do no crime. Nah, do no crime. If I bust a jelly yet, much less cut a pine. Nah, do no crime. Nah, do be crime.
Them never bust a jelly yet, nor cut a pine. Tough. And you know the jelly part, bust out a boy head, make marrow shelly. Yeah. And not even a pine them a cut, so them forgot bust out jelly. You see me? Yeah. And if you remember, me did a promote that song in the new Popcorn vlog when me did the new song where Popcorn put out, the $1 billion song there where Popcorn put out. Me did do a vlog on it with the preview. And me did excited to talk about that song. Zin? So See, Shawn Storm them look different in the video from last thing that the ski mask. We like the Alpha Tree setting, we like the video too. You see what I say? Cause you know Shawn Storm is not really a hype youth. You see me, he's a down to earth youth. I said down to earth, we mean like him no try to put himself too far from the public, you know what I mean? Like him gel with the public and with the people them one way we're just different. You see me, we make Shawn Storm.
Let's cut a pine. Nah, do no crime. Nah, do be crime. Why tease? When me take away your girl, only thing she like a make her. Anyway, you halfway tree. Say she willing to give me coulda even right side of the clock. Your wife and me free. Say she love my lifestyle. Fuck a bag of girl and me no care. So haters please. Your 3 pint me take that with you.
Tough, you see me? Louis VYBZ, me take away your girl. Coulda right at the clock out the halfway tree. Yo, tough, you know? Would I even... I'm gonna catch it back.
Much less cut a pine. Nah, do no crime. Nah, do be crime. Why tease? When me take away your girl, only thing she like a make her. Anyway, you halfway tree. Say she willing to give me coulda even right side of the clock.
When I know the clock, the boy. Half a tree. Down a town. Front love to sit down. Peer which fear, and she so brown. Plus her body weigh 100 pound. Even the blind man, them a come round. She get enough money still, sir, but she get it in a silver. She said the driver, tough piece a song that, you know. Half a tree. Big up Silver and KARTEL, you know. Put back half a tree on the map. You see me?
Your wife and me free. Say she love my lifestyle. Fuck a bag of girl and me no care. So haters please. Your 3 pint me take that with you.
Yo, the tough part a forward, but you know, wait. Watch you know. So him say your wife I'm a freak. Me I wonder if Aisha I'm have in mind. But no, nah, this Aisha I know cause my girl that is she. Yeah. But you don't know, is she no soft and puny like some of them girl nowadays, and them boy you too, no for them boy them weak and sensitive, you can't even talk your mind round them and make them know else them cut you off silently, violently. Then, oh yeah man, watch out. Yo, the verse shot, you know. Verse shot. Hear the verse.
Bullet a flicking a Masicka face. I want that in my tears. Me rest my tick in a forehead and rocket and race. Big city pussy wall and no Masicka play.
Bumbuckler. You hear the man? Yo, different flow, different style, changes and transitioning from one song to the other. Tough. You get what I say? Shawn Storm no music. Which boy you see I do music, so? On the lightings and jeans, let me take away your gal at the clock. Could I even halfway tree? On the right side of me wife and me free. Come then him go. Bullet a flicking a Masicka face. I want that in my tears. The big bomb clan rifle glorious. Yeah, reverse it up and the race. Him no music dog. Them money you think Masicka song them not bad so dog. I not lie.
Them boy a double pussy like African lace. Pies in the swamp, every trucker disappear. Any other cops I must see what the foot are wear. Cover that, watch him face, see the look of fear. Something.
Bumbuckler, be a thick Shawn Storm attack, you know. Man say man double pussy like brick and lace. The twin them must sing the song about your love is wicked. I love is wicked. Oh the ear I'll go. I love is wicked. Wicked. Yo, I said that song that did bad with brick and lace them do. And I know the new era them kinda do it, you know. And them bust back again, you know, in the scamming era, you see me the music. Cause a long time brick and lace they bout, you know. You see me? Shawn Storm no mystery. Yeah. Your love is wicked. Your love is wicked. I should look feet right now, you know. Wicked, brick and lace. I don't know the song, you know. But let me remind those who doesn't know. Brick and lace. Tough piece of song them do, you know. Brick and lace, in the place. Love is wicked. Yeah. So you're the tough man.
me a rubber cause your love is wicked. When you around my love is wicked. This is when you get down, you know it's wicked. Wait for your cause wicked. But the look when you get down, you know it's wicked.
Tough, that is it. So, man, I say Masicka is a double pussy. So you know what, yo, a big bumbo clap for soul, man style, the mosquitoes, you know. Bumbo clap, cause them girl are famous, you know. So in big like brick and lace, like two female celebrity pussy in a one. That is how Masicka, that is how much of a pussy Masicka is. And that chance time I say. Hope you get the drift.
Gem boots in for when you do one day. Take your girl, bust the face, guard jail, bust the case, come a road, run the place, Gaza run, dancehall, easily, sun the pace, me no fire, gun me chase, nah signal liquor, card around the
Bumbleclad, nah signal liquor, card around the lace. You think Shawn Storm no know what I go on? So the boy them come round to try pies the man. Him have, yeah man, him know what I go on. So him a watch out. That's why I'm ever in him darker shades, you know. You know, the shades with him darker shades, I drink a lemonade. You know the KARTEL song there? You know, a pack of shades, you know, my Escalade, I drink. Yo, but if you remember them KARTEL, them bad. You see me? So, I'm glad say Shawn Storm are weird. Watch out for the pies liquor them. Cause you hear the man say, forward out a prisoner and Gaza run the place. And I tell you no, say yo, the man a prophet to the man say yo, my enemies shall become my footstool. And we see Masicka became Shawn Storm footstool in the clash that everybody says. Shawn Storm take the clash. You see what I say?
Anywhere me gun grave, feel me bone grave. The chain round me neck, cause me never turn a slave. DJ Macafim, gyal a misbehave. Now zombie of him, let the gyal you know if me.
Tough, you see? Yo, Shawn Storm a chop, you know. Man a drop lyrics like bam. Man a chop lyrics like yam. Yo, tough piece of song done. Big man thing, you see me? And yo, you see the man suit? Fully PMP out. And you can tell say it's an expensive suit, this, you know. Cause at first it tricked me, you know, I didn't think say I want like one regular jacket, but it's like a jacket suit. Like you can tell say you're not really burn up a wear that suit there. You see me? Although it want more seem like a night suit for the Jamaica climate when the place cold, you know. But yeah man, the suit bad, it match with the pants, and then Siva know for rock it with the yellow shirt. Look like it's a yellow shirt, though. Yeah man, tough. Or white shirt. Could be white and yellow. And belt, no, I'm belt yellow. That you know that the coordination there. It a work. I like it. The yellow belt, could lay have a yellow watch. So me I say with a yellow kerchief, you see me? And a white shirt. Would have beat a yellow shirt though. But you see me? I love the gears so I'm a rocket. Tough.
White tees, when me take where your girl only think she like a makeup. Anyway, you halfway tree. Say she willing to give me coulda even right side of the clock. Your wife and me free.
Yeah man, tough, you see me? No joke, you see the chorus shot. I like that. And then the girl yeah, she work the video, you know, you see me? Yeah, she stand out a lot. Yeah man. Look like Shawn Storm goodly I dig it from longer time, you know. Cause I don't think of the first time I see fear face around the Siva Dan, you know. The zombie.
Say she love my lifestyle, fuck a bag of girl and me no care. So haters please, you cheap might me take that video.
Flicking a Masicka face, I want that in my tears. Racing like a race. Oh God. Wicked. Don't test. Gods are the best. You see me?
The fuckery, no say you a gal is a me, fuss a fuck she. Inna the front of the beam a sport mode plus 3. One of them a sucky cocky massive gal a succeed.
I love that flow you took on the second verse. You see me? I swear it bad. Him say I'm fuss a fuck she. Man say Masicka gal a succeed. Bumbleclad. Don't think that it's a success story like where my boy they sing about, you know, Nesbeth. I am a success story. Success story. I am a success story. Yeah, success. But Masicka gal, she a succeed. History. She a succeed in history. Masicka gal a succeed in history. History. Yo, Shawn Storm a kill him.
Now you through a toll, girl, you know must breathe. Tip on it, take it out, look on it, and spit on it. Play with your nipple, them tip on it. Bad bitch, go through it, make the dick vanish.
Tiptronic, I saw him play with that. You know what that? I jar that, yeah? I'm gonna tell you. The Tiptronic, you talk some heavy hydraulic machinery with the Tiptronic. You see me? Probably some of them big heavy machine there with the guys that them a drive, you know, from VYBZ KARTEL free up. And I buy them expensive vehicle. You could get it Tiptronic. No joke. A whole heap of money, you know. Most of VYBZ KARTEL vehicle them and them we might buy for you guys of them, you know. Custom design. And you pay like an extra $250,000 US to get that custom design there. Cause when you buy them expensive vehicle, you know, you can buy it regular. But we get information say all of the Gaza vehicle them pay the extra $250,000 US to get it custom design added. So that include bulletproof for bulletproof down the vehicle and for other features. You know what I mean? Yeah, other features on the vehicle. So don't play with the Gaza thing. And that's why the boy them hate on the Gaza, so now you know. You see, me tell you, I say you know, so the Gaza blessed. I say you know, so the Gaza blessed. You see, when people evil and wealthy, nobody not to want them money. But you see, when you're blessed, and you're good, and you're wealthy, them time the people fight you for your money. Cause them don't ever want to see good people with money. But alright, look on Andrew. You know notice the film supporters them. Them not care about the taxpayer money them where him a thief. You see me I say? They don't care about the money them where him have where thief in money. You hear me I say? But VYBZ KARTEL, I look on the perfect example. The Privy Council ordered our government for pay back VYBZ KARTEL in money. And I be a them people ya leak out and I say, oh, I don't want my tax money go there so. But from me a baby and before me born, me forward I watch news and see how much tax money ever get robbed and gone in a politician pocket. But the one time when it forgot to somebody now for justice sake and righteousness and fairness, the one time the tax money for go back to a rightful owner, Zin, because of their negligence of failing to prosecute rightfully and lawfully. Zin, so them have to pay back from the tax dollars. And people are lick out on cartel. I say not forget none of the tax dollars and all tax dollars for go to people and really and this and you me say, uno no lick out so when the government them thief the millions of tax dollars, you know. But yo me say, uno, humble clot. Yo, Shawn stop.
Some boy does a show pan the up. A pose with gun and a roll pan the up. But do you look a fish tadpole pan the up? Go and push up your 3 pints and
Man say some boy where a post on the app, the app store app them. Zin, them now roll upon the apps, the OPPS. That are the enemies. So them only oppose with gun and that a Masicka. Cause we see Masicka in all our music video them a showcase pretty guns and him nah bust none. And then him say, fuck y'all and bust gun cause I'm a thief, my father style. I tell you say that crocodile and mosquito boy them just buy people style. You get me I say? Nothing original. Nothing spicy neither. You get me I say? And we see Tamale and Siva barbecue in blood clot.
woman rap, him a cap hard, a chat large. Real killers lock foreign, we lock yard, no drop yard. Max out a black yard, what's you know me fire shot hard.
What them know about Max out a black yard? And I talk about the Gaza broke. What the some boy? What the some boy? When I talk about broke? Blood clot. Him can't even do an interview cause I'm shame. I'm shame, you know, see him a fight for smile hard. Him even can show him face pan him live. Cause I know him shame. And it a show. You know, see how trashy Gigi and nervous span the fix the whole time. I shake him foot a vibrate like the whole knocky of them. You know, see? Because pressure reach them. Pressure them. Now when I'm done with that review, I'm gone on to our next one. The Tamale. You see me? I'm gonna review some of VYBZ KARTEL song them where I never review. Some of them were recently released. Like the Wifey for Life. Wifey for life here or something like so. Yeah, big bad song, you know. That one they creep up on the people, you know. But from the year, I didn't know say a big song still, I swear. You see me? But I'm telling you in a prior vlogs to this one, I'm telling you say, when VYBZ Kartel they lock up, most time song them in a review because like at the time something that tell me say, yo, you don't need for review VYBZ Kartel song. VYBZ Kartel no need it for review him song. I bet I reviewed the younger ones them, the younger artists them. You know what I say? Yeah, but you don't know guys I was saying we have the proof from every year, you know, from 03 January we I say Kartel and you see me? Anyway, I'm there, that's how we there. Yeah, I know, me say, yeah man, Gaza life. You see me? Yeah man. That me say.
Louis VYBZ.
That the song name. Zite. Tough, you know. I'm out.